Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing how to make this delicious, easy, and low-carb French toast recipe. It is so good and definitely not a French toast recipe that you probably have seen online already. But before we get into it, I want to give a big shout out to the Coldest for sponsoring today's video. Drinking enough water daily is one of my biggest struggles, but with my Coldest water bottle, it's made it super easy for me to stay on top of my health and weight loss goals. Check them out in the links down below and get 10% off when you use my code Gizelle. And now here's my go-to low-carb French toast recipe. You most likely will have a lot of the ingredients at home, like the eggs, cinnamon, vanilla extract, sugar-free or real maple syrup. You also want to grab your choice of milk, and for the main ingredient, you're gonna need hot dog buns. This is the game changer ingredient. I swear by using hot dog buns instead of regular bread, especially as a low carb recipe, because a lot of the low carb breads on the market are very thin and fragile. But basically you wanna chop your buns into cube-like pieces and pop them into the oven at 350 degrees while you're making the egg mixture. In a small bowl, mix 1 egg with 1 egg yolk. Add in 1/4 cup of almond milk, your desired amount of cinnamon. I like a lot, so you'll see me add a lot throughout this whole video. 1 teaspoon of real maple syrup, or you can use sugar-free syrup, and then mix that also with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once your mixture is completely combined, gently toss in your toasted buns and coat them in the French toast mixture, making sure you don't apply too much pressure while you're mixing it, because you definitely don't want them to be soggy or you don't want to over soak them. Quickly after you've coated them, in a heated pan, I like to cook my French toast with coconut oil or real butter. Once my coconut oil was melted, I put on my French toast bites onto the heated skillet. To finish them off, you just want to cook them on all 4 sides until golden brown. I like to top mine off with some Swerve powdered sugar just to keep it as healthy as possible and in low sugar. And I also add some strawberries and some real maple syrup. And it's so good. If you've never had French toast made with hot dog buns, I highly recommend. Whether you choose a low carb bread or you choose a regular hot dog bun, that's probably even better, to be honest. Like if you use those freaking potato buns, that would probably be bomb. But I have hormone imbalance, so we like to keep it low carb over here. Thank you again to the Coldest for sponsoring today's video, and be sure to subscribe if you want to see more healthy recipes.